How to make a man happy? Let him have his space. Sleep with him if he is your husband. Be his best friend. Don't bother him about the moves he makes, but always commit his moves into the Lord's hands. Love him truly. How to make a woman happy? It's really not difficult. To make a woman happy, a man only needs to be a friend, a companion, a lover, a brother, a father, a master, a chef, an electrician, a plumber, a mechanic, a carpenter, a decorator, a stylist, a sexologist, gynecologist, a psychologist, a pest exterminator, a psychiatrist, a healer, a good listener, an organizer, a good father, very clean, sympathetic, athletic, warm, attentive, gallant, intelligent, funny, creative, tender, strong, understanding, tolerant, prudent, ambitious, capable, courageous, determined, true, dependable, passionate, without forgetting to give her compliments regularly. Go shopping with her. Be honest. Be very rich. Don't stress her out. Don't look at other girls or ladies. And at the same time, you must also give her lots of attention. Give her lots of time, especially time for herself. Give her lots of space, never worrying about where she goes. Just be praying for her always. Love her truly. But most of all, it is very important to never forget birthdays, anniversaries, arrangements she makes. Should I continue? Continue. The greatest of all is that you must be giving her money. Not just money, but a lot of monies. That's what this gender loves very much. Good sex is just an ingredient.